Okay, YouTube, I just want to show you a vacuum I got today at my local Goodwill for $3. So, let me grab it here. I've cleaned it up a lot. A Hoover Quick Broom Bagless Cyclone Technology. There's its dirt cup. The filter is the only thing that I couldn't clean that good yet. And did not come with the attachments I hope to find. Those, they just clip in here. They're different from any Elite attachments. It's got rug to bare floors setting. Wait, this little, where the heck is it? On this side, okay, yeah. Excuse me a minute. I hate this camera. Back here, that little red lever you see, there's floors and carpets. There, it's got some replaceable bristle strip. The head just rotates like that. It's been cleaned up, had some paint scuffs and everything. Good little bit of cord to it. But it's kind of late in the night, so not gonna do a video of that tonight, but look forward to the video to show up tomorrow. It is November 12th, which is a Saturday, so look for it to come up November 13th, which is Sunday, which is tomorrow, obviously. So, anyways, till tomorrow.